Welcome to this beginner level tutorial on how to encode a video using FFmpeg. So for this video, I will work on a recording of my Assassin's Creed 3 gameplay. It's a 341 megabytes video of resolution 1366 by 768 and 30 FPS, that is my laptop screen's resolution as well. Press Shift key and right click to start PowerShell. Before encoding, make sure you have added FFmpeg to your path. To do so, you can watch my video on it, of which I have included the link in description. Also, the code which I am running, I have included in the description. So we specify our input file name, its resolution, and then comes the compression format. We can either go with libx265 for H265 or libx264 for H264 compression, which I will do now. I have set the audio to 128 kilobits per second and sampling rate to 44100 Hz. Now, if you don't understand what I am talking about, please mention it in comment section. Specify the output file name and hit OK. Now it took me around 11 minutes, but may vary for different videos. The new video is of 118 megabytes. Now to notice the difference in quality, I would recommend to try it yourself. Let's head to our next video. It's an animated movie, Grave of the Fireflies. Really good stuff. Now this video has dual audio, as well as chapter info and English subtitles. So we gotta modify our FFmpeg code a bit. Now for this video, I will use H265 compression. Also the code is included in description. This time, it took me around 30 minutes. Let's check the results. It's 275 megabytes now, and the original file is around 1 gigabytes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share your reviews down in comment section.